friends, welcome to Master of Biology. In this video, let us learn about excretion. So this is the topic under life processes. So it is related to class 10. Okay, under life processes, excretion. So we'll be proceeding in this way. Definition, urinary system, structure of nephron and formation of urine. Okay. Now one by one we'll see. Let us see the definition. It is a process of removal of metabolic waste from the body. The process of removal of metabolic waste from the body is called excretion. The process of removal of metabolic waste from the body is called excretion. Actually, in unicellular organisms, it happens through simple diffusion, okay, through body surface just into the water. In unicellular organisms, it happens through body surface, that is by means of simple diffusion. It is let into the surrounding water. In case of multicellular organisms, they have specialized organs for this purpose. Okay, in multicellular organisms, there are special organs to do this excretion process. Okay, so with that, now we'll see the urinary system. Okay. So you have seen the picture of urinary system, right? The same picture I have drawn here. This is the urinary system, human urinary system. Actually, the location is we have a pair of kidneys in the abdominal cavity. We have a pair of kidneys in the abdominal cavity, one on either side of the backbone. Okay, so two kidneys, right and left, one on either side of the backbone. So that is the location, right? Okay. Then you can see the picture of the urinary system. We have a pair of kidneys that is followed by ureter, a long tube called the ureter, that is followed by urinary bladder and urethra. So these are the four main parts of urinary system: pair of kidneys, ureter, a pair of ureter, okay, a pair of ureter, two long tube ureters. Then it's a bladder, urinary bladder where the urine is stored, bladder, and here there is a small opening through which the urine comes out, that is called urethra. So kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra are the four main parts of the urinary system. So one particular kidney is shown here. This is called L.S of kidney, the longitudinal section of kidney. L.S means longitudinal section. There is a vertical splitting of kidney. Actually, the kidney has a outer membrane or covering called the capsule, and it is followed by this inner region called the cortex. And after that, we have the medulla, and this broad funnel-like portion. Okay, the broad funnel-like portion is called the pelvis. So the pelvis, which is broader, it narrows down as a tube, and that is called ureter. Okay, the broad pelvis, which is like a funnel shape, narrows down as ureter. Okay, this broad portion is called pelvis. Here we have some pyramid-like structures where some of the tubules are inserted there. Okay, so this is the urinary system. Okay. Now let me show you the picture of nephron. So you have seen the picture of nephron, right? Now let me describe the structure of nephron. Okay, nephron, it is the basic unit of urinary system. Nephron is the basic unit of urinary system. So let me describe the structure of nephron. So it has five main parts, and this one is called Bowman's capsule. Okay, this cup-shaped structure is called Bowman's capsule. This cup-shaped structure is called Bowman's capsule, and this one is called proximal convoluted tubule. Okay, proximal convoluted tubule. It's called PCT. Okay, PCT. Here there are some foldings at the beginning stage, so it's called proximal convoluted tubule, and that is followed by this is called Henle's loop. Okay, Henle's loop, and this one is distal convoluted tubule. Distal means end face, and this will end up in collecting tubule. This is called the collecting duct. Collecting duct. Cup-like structure Bowman's capsule. Initial first foldings. Proximal convoluted tubules. Convoluted means foldings. Proximal means beginning. So at the beginning there is some foldings, convolutions called proximal convoluted tubule. There is a narrow U tube. It's called Henle's loop. It's like a loop, Henle's loop. And this is distal convoluted tubule. And this is collecting duct. So 5 main parts. And inside the cup-like structure, there is network of blood capillaries or a tuft of blood capillaries called glomerulus. Glomerulus. There, filtration will occur. So that filtration is called glomerular filtration. Okay, the filtration will occur here. There is a network of blood capillaries, thin-walled blood capillaries. Already I told, kidney is associated with lot of thin-walled blood capillaries. So all the blood capillaries will end up in cup-like structure called Bowman's capsule. Bowman is the name of the scientist. Here also Henle's loop. Henle is the name of the scientist. So this nephron is the basic unit of urinary system, functional unit of urinary system. It is the filtration unit of urinary system. This nephron is microscopic. It is microscopic, can be seen only under microscope. So this nephron will be in millions in each kidney. Okay, there are a pair of kidneys, right and left, and they have studied about the L.S of Kidney also. So the nephron will be in millions in each kidney. They are the filtration units. So 5 major parts of the nephron. Okay, basic unit of urinary system. So everything is clear. The steps in urine formation. The process of urine formation. The process of urine formation involves 3 steps. Filtration, reabsorption, secretion. Filtration, reabsorption, secretion. Hope you are able to see. Filtration, reabsorption, secretion. Filtration. Okay, actually the harmful waste material to be removed from the blood. Okay, metabolic waste, harmful waste. It has to be removed from the blood. That waste will be mainly nitrogenous waste containing urea, uric acid, ammonia, all these things. These are all nitrogenous waste. So that is removed. That is being filtered. Okay, in the complex structure called Bowman's capsule. And later on, certain substances are reabsorbed. Okay, selectively, some substances are reabsorbed, like glucose, amino acids. Okay, and some of the excess water and salts. Glucose, amino acids, salts, and excess water are selectively reabsorbed. That will be happening in the proximal convoluted tubule and the Henle's loop. Okay, that is why the Henle's loop is narrow. Okay, for selective reabsorption. Okay, and finally secretion. The exact waste, okay, containing the urea, ammonia, and some ions, they will be sent, okay, through this distal convoluted tubule to the collecting tubule. The collecting tubules will be penetrating inside the pelvis region. From that, drop by drop, the urine formation will just move on to the ureter. Ureter, we have a pair of ureters. That ureters will end up in urinary bladder. Likewise, it goes on. Okay, so uh, filtration, reabsorption, secretion. Finally, the urine is secreted. Okay, that urine may contain like 95% of water and 5% of nitrogenous waste. Okay, in that waste there will be some unwanted ions also, excess of potassium ions, calcium ions. Okay, all these things will be present. And coming to the urinary bladder, once the urinary bladder gets filled up, you'll have the urge to urinate because that urinary bladder is made up of a muscular, it's a muscular organ. Okay, so actually when it gets expanded, there is a urge to urinate, and just because it's a muscular organ, it is under the control of nervous system. Okay, so one can, an adult person can control the urine. Okay, it is under one's will, right? So that is how the urine is being secreted out. Hope you enjoy this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.